Hi, I'm Hid. I'm not affiliated with HubSpot. Everything shared here comes from my own experience, research, and exploration of best practices in using HubSpot and other business systems. So this content is for educational purposes only. So let's get started. So in order to create a contact under HubSpot's dashboard, you have to click on here, CRM, and then contacts, and that's in the top menu. So yeah, if you're tracking my cursor, it should be here. So once you're here, it actually brings up your list of existing contacts. And on the screen, it doesn't show one because we haven't created yet, okay? So first, let's click Add Contacts. This should allow you to create a new one or import a contact from your CSV. So let's click the Create New. So once you're here, since you're new to the platform, you have to actually check what's best for you. So it would be best if you click the Help Me Get Started. So this one should help you in navigating HubSpot freely with the guidance of HubSpot itself, instead of just setting up for yourself. Okay, let's click this. Alright, so we are on the creating of contact page. So it lets you create your first contact in just a few steps. So for the best practices in CRM architecture, you can actually put first name and last name as test, and email would be test@gmail.com. So this is provided that you're not doing anything related to workflows. So don't automate this. Don't send any emails to this email. This is for testing purposes. And you must also opt out of any emails for this. Okay? Thank you. Alright, so once you're done creating the contact, so like once you're done clicking on create contact, it should route you to this page wherein you have to set your contact properties. So enter the core information first here. So you can have like phone number, contact owner, last contacted, life cycle stage, lead status, and legal basis for processing context data. So once we dive into what's needed for an email, this is actually crucial, and also the marketing email confirmation status. So these are the properties that HubSpot uses most often for tracking and automation. And then you can add more to this once you have a list of your contacts. Like you can add company name, industry, and job title. So once you have filled the properties and then you have clicked create, it should route you to this page wherein you will see the contact. So for this one, we actually added test. So this is just for like if you're creating a test record for your practice or for client demos, it will be best to have this. And so for example, if you have test here for first name and test as the last name, and the email would be test@gmail.com. So again, don't send any automation to this. Don't add or opt this to any emails that you have in the future. And then to add more to your best practices, you can actually have it like this. So you can put for sandbox only, and then your team should know by then that this is for testing. So once that's done, let's explore everything here. you can also navigate while you're checking mine. So if you can see here, all of the key information are listed at the left-hand side or the left panel. This actually shows all properties that you added, and in the center, you should see activities, the revenue, and the intelligence. So, and in the right-hand side, you will be able to see like associated records, like the company's deals, tickets, and attachments. And it also shows you the task and notes there. So we will go hand in hand more about this as we go alongside with our HubSpot episodes. So, so just a few quick tips for this. You actually have to use descriptive names for task records. So to avoid confusion. Yeah, you can fill in at least the key properties like name and email. So to make the record functional. And then you can keep on exploring the panels and timeline to get familiar with the navigation of this page. So again, this is the record page for your contacts, and that's it for creating a new contact in HubSpot. So in the next video, we'll dive deeper into HubSpot settings so we can try to configure users, teams, system preferences, and I'll be seeing you next time. Thank you.